i-refill ko yung kape namin. Kasi paubos na yung aming beans. Ito yung binili ko sa Kohl's kasi naka 50% off siya. Tapos gusto ko siya i-try. As in, ang laki ng ano niya, sale. Half price talaga. Tapos, bumili din si Dan ng ibang kape naman. Pero okay lang. Para at least marami tayong ma-try na brand. Kasi yung brand na kape na gusto namin, South Australian brand siya. Maganda siya guys. Kaya lang, sobrang dalang nagsisale. Ang mahal ng kape. Just like a princess. Alright, Jumper. You have to put it on, babe. It's cold. The music, man. Good, Anna, baby, good. Music again. Press it. Press the button. Hindi pa niya abot, guys. Well, abot na niya pero tiptoe. Tinanggal ko yung base niya. Na, you love it! You love it! Nag 8 months pala to kahapon. Hindi! 8 months ka na, Bob? For some reason, kahapon iniisip ko ngayon siya mag-8 months. Nag-uusap-usap kami kahapon. Sabi ko bukas mag-8 months na to. Tapos nag-uusap din kami about birthday niya. Sabi ko hala ngayon pala yung 27. Kahapon to ha. And yeah, na-realize ko kahapon ng gabi na nag-8 months na pala siya. India, where are you going? Palayo ka na palayo, Indy. Buyag-buyag ng Indy natin. Ay, you happy? Where are you going? Bye-bye. See you later. Bye. Where are you going? India, India, peekaboo. Gatanghal na po na akong Indy. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Indy's coming. Beep, beep, beep. You will help Mama? We will be back. Do you want to come? Should we take Indy too? Alright, let's take Indy. Alright, come on, Indy. We're not leaving you. We're just gonna get the groceries. Yeah? Alright, let's go. Let's go, Indy.
I help him.
Oh, her? Sige, help her.
Oopsie.
Alright, go to the front. Is Kuya helping you? Ang cute naman ito, ay. Oh, Kuya. Sama kasi talaga siya. But, that's okay, Kuya. Just keep pushing. That's okay. Natatakot si Arlo na makatama sa wall eh. Yay! Good job! Alright. We're here! Ayan din, na-deliver yan kahapon. Bumili ako ng 3. I ordered that from Big W kasi ano yan, mas mura sa Big W. Go, Alo. Yay! Alright, bring it in. One at a time. Uh-oh. This one. This one. Help this one. Yeah, that one first. Oh, strong. Thank you, Kuya. Put it in. Saya niya. Alright. More, ate. More, Kuya. Oh, strong. Thank you. Good boy. Sus, bait niyang kuya natin, oh. Hello, Indy. Do you wanna help? Sus, bayag, Indy. Hello. Thank you, kuya. You wanna bring these two? Mommy help you with the rest, okay? Yeah, you bring those. Oh my gosh, so strong. Thank you, Alo. Tingnan nyo naman yung kuya natin. Oy. Thank you. Alright. Let's hold this. Are you gonna help us? Yes. So, yan, dumating kahapon. Last time, nung nag-order ako ng 3, kailangan ko kasi mag-order ng 3 para maka-free shipping ako. So, nag-order ako ng 3 last time. Nilagay nila sa malaking box, guys. Yeah. And then this time, hindi nila nilagay sa box. Sobrang maulan pa naman. So, yan, nagka-sira-sira yung boxes. Anyway, ito yung online order natin. In-order ko to kagabi. And pinadeliver ko this morning. Nag-sign up ako sa Kohl's Plus and I get free delivery for 3 months. Pero may mga ano din naman sila. Sometimes they offer free delivery. Hindi ko lang natatimingan. Sobrang convenient ng free delivery or ng grocery delivery sa amin. Lalo na ngayon maulan. Tapos ang dami kong bata sa bahay. Can we show the guys first? And then we'll put in the laundry. Tulungan na niya ako. Lagay niya daw sa laundry. Let's show the guys. He wants to join. That's not milk. That's butter. Yeah, butter. Okay, I'll show this to the guys and then you can bring it. You can put it in the laundry, okay? So, bumili ako ng nappies. 2 size 5 for kuya. Here, you can put that.
And this.
And butter. You can put that in the laundry now if you want to help. And then, bumili ako guys ng size 4 na nappy pants. Hindi pa ito yung size ni Indy, but ilalagay ko siya sa box, pangbalikbayan box. Kasi yun talaga yung plano ko, magbalikbayan box ako para mapadala ko yung mga booking ng mga items doon. Para pagdating namin doon sa December, nandun na siya. Hindi ko na siya ilalagay sa luggage. So, that's the plan. Door is locked. I just put it outside the door. Yeah, outside the door. So, bumili ako ng 2 nappy pants. And yung pinili ko yung pinakamura lang because Arlo used this brand as well. And it's pretty good. So, nappy pants na. Kasi pagdating namin ng Pilipinas, for sure, naglalakad na to. Ano kasi siya yan? 1 year and 2 months. Gusto niya talaga itong butter. I'll show the guys the butter. So, bumili ako ng butter. No, we're not opening this. This is to cook. To cook with Mommy's steak later. Oh, Mommy's gonna have steak again. What?
It's milk.
No, it's not milk. It's butter. So, every online order, nagbabayad ako ng $1.50 for the bags. So, per order na yung $1.50. Tapos, you get all these bags. Depende sa kung anong bibilhin ko. But so far, kasi sa lahat ng online order ko, marami kasing maliliit. Ang ayokong mahirapan yung magde-deliver kung hindi ko siya ipapalagay sa bag. Kapag ako nag-collect doon, minsan hindi na ako nagbabayad ng bags because I bring my own bag. But yeah, kapag pinadeliver ko, pinapalagay ko siya sa bags, guys. Anyway, I got unsalted butter kasi nga, magsi-steak ako. Mag-order na sana ako ng steak kasama nito. Kasi sabi ko, gusto ko lang i-try. Gusto ko mag-try magluto ulit ng steak. Like, kumain ng steak sa bahay. Sabi ni Dan, no, huwag kang bumili ng steak sa Kohl's. Gusto niya sa butcher talaga. So, nag-offer siya na siyang bibili ng steak para sa akin. Pupunta siya ng butcher mamaya to buy steak and fruits for the kids. So, yung itong mga to, again, no fresh produce. Wala yung mga prutas, gulay, kasi yung kailangan sa shop talaga bilhin. So, si Dan na bahala dun. I got sea salt flakes for our steak. Pag ganyan-ganyan tayo ng sea salt flakes sa ating steak, guys. And then, I got Indy's milk. So, dinalawa ko na. And then, bumili ako ng sweet potato chips. I also got cooking salt kasi paubos na yung cooking salt namin. And then, bumili ako isang pack ng mi goreng kasi matagal nang ubos yung ganito namin. Yung last time pa talaga nung nilutuan ko yung boys na to. So, wala na kaming stock. Though hindi namin siya kinakain lagi, kaya hindi kami bumibili nito lagi. But it's good to have. And I got 2 of these kasi naka-sale to. So, dinalawa ko na. Ang laki na nito. Lagi ako nag-check ng fabric conditioner kapag nag-order ako online or kapag pumupunta ako ng shop. Yan yung mga must na chine-check ko. Fabric conditioner, kung naka-sale ba sila, nappies, mga ganun. You wanna go there now? Kuya, do you wanna help Indy? She wants to go back. Kuya will help you. Can you help her? Kuya! She wants to go back. Thank you. Go help her. She wants to go back to the lounge. Bye! Thank you, Kuya! So, dalawa. Yes, she does. Yeah, go. I'm almost done. And then last ones are Indie snacks. So, ito yung gusto kong pinapasnack ko sa kanya kasi it's less messy. It's still messy, obviously. Pagbata, messy talaga. But, hindi siya kasing messy nung ibang snacks na na-try ko. So, yan. And then, ito, bagong itatry ko. Sana, okay ito. Hindi ko pa ito na-try eh. From Only Organic. Corn sticks. So, ayan.
Mommy! Mommy!
Oh my gosh! Paborito niya guys.
It's still an egg.
I know, noodles. Is that your favorite?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, it's not healthy.
Hello! Mama, toys crossed.
Oh, wow. Indy. Yeah, she can have it. Thanks for asking. You can have it, Indy. Aww. Oh.
He would have bite it.
Yeah, she wants to bite everything.
He can bite my toys.
Is that okay? Can she bite your toys? What if she breaks it?
It's not big. It's hard.
It's hard?
Yeah.
But what if she breaks it? What if she breaks the feet and the legs?
And see? Yeah!
Is she happy?
Yeah, they did that. Then he had my superhero.
She likes your superhero, yeah. Indy, you like Kuya's superhero? Aww. Sweetie boy. Oh, ay, sus, Kuya. Oy. Okay, take her there. Take her to the lounge. Yeah, what? Yeah, help me. Thank you. Oh, strong! My goodness, Alo. Bring it to the kitchen, okay? Sus, Kuya natin ay. And then come back for more. Thank you. Oh my gosh, very strong, Kuya. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh! Thank you, Kuya. There's more. You're funny. He is funny, isn't he, Indy? Oh my gosh, 2? What? Thank you, Kuya. Ako na nitong iba, mabigat na to. Can you carry it? It's heavy. Heavy? Oh, that's okay. Mama will do it. Yeah, thank you. Oh, you wanna do that?
That's too heavy.
Oh my gosh, look at you. That is heavy. That's like 2 kilos each. Maybe one at a time. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. 1.9 kilos yan eh. Oh, baba. Thank you. You are helping. Thank you. Here, in the laundry. Here. Give it to me, Mike. Give it to me. No, not that. Okay, sige. Sus, ang heavy. Thank you, May. Alright, hindi na tayo bibili nito. Dami na pala natin ganito.
The first stuff.
Oh, thank you, baby.
I need the first stuff.
Yeah.
Mommy, Indy.
Yeah, bring Indy here. Sabi niya, Mommy, how about Indy? Niwan daw namin doon si Indy. Just keep pushing. It's okay. Ah, haya, Inday, ah! Haya.
Okay, mine. And this. Oh, I don't know it. Oh.
Thank you, Kuya. Alright. Sorry? Ryan? Yeah, Ryan.
Ryan toys, please.
Okay.
Ryan dinosaur, but Ryan superheroes toys, and that superhero and the pedo.
Tinatanggal ko na yung mga boxes kasi pinapadala ko sa school ni Ayla.
That's it, empty.
Sa class niya.
Yum.
Para sa arts and crafts ng mga bata. Mahilig sila sa ganyan.
Empty. What is that?
So at least napapakinabangan ng mga bata, di ba?
That's it, empty. What is that, Mommy? Is this cut?
This is salt.
Why so?
Salt for Mommy's steak later.
Let me see. Let me see.
See? Salt. Flaky salt.
I see.
Arte-arte lang ni Mommy. Good. Arte mas Mommy. Good. Coles brand lang yun. Natural sea salt flakes daw. Ganyan. From Coles.
Or is it dangerous?
Not dangerous, but salty.
Is it not dangerous? Or it's dangerous?
No. That's not icy pole. We don't have icy pole. It's really cold. Ay, ang arte-arte naman ng flaky salt. Wanna come to Mama? Yeah, come here. Here. Where are the guys? Where are the guys? Hello! So, itong wipes din, yung iba dito, ilalagay natin sa box. Hindi naman marami, konti lang. Pero at least ba, hindi na siya makadagdag sa ano? Sa dadalhin. Let's do this. Marami pa akong stock dito eh. So, meron na tayong 5 natira. Hindi. Hindi yan.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
Alam nyo, mas maganda tong napi na to guys, compared sa Costco na Huggies. Yung Costco na Huggies ha, kasi feeling ko iba yung Huggies ng Costco sa Huggies sa Coles at Woolies, alam mo yun, at saka like iba feeling ko iba-iba kasi yung Huggies sa Pilipinas iba siya sa Huggies dito. That I'm sure. Tapos yeah, yung Costco din na Huggies iba din siya sa Huggies sa Coles. But yeah, mas gusto ko tong Rascals. Tas mas mura siya. Mas maganda yung fit, mas maganda yung kapit, mas maganda yung hold. Yeah, kapit, hold. Parang A1. Yeah, gusto ko to.
Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow.
Guys, I decided to clean our range hood. Ayan. So, naglagay ako dyan. Nasa moment ako kanina, so hindi ako nag-vlog. Ginamit ko yung binili kong degreaser from Kohl's. Easy Off Bam. Ayan. It's a degreaser. Yung area na yun, it was very greasy. So, yung ginawa ko, tinanggal ko yung pinaka-exhaust namin. Ang dali niya lang pala tanggalin. Akala ko kailangan ko pa siyang i-unscrew, but no. So, tinanggal ko yun. Nilagay ko na sa sink. Nag-spray ako ng degreaser as a generous spray. And then, spray ko din itong area na to na very greasy. So, ayan. Nagdi-drip siya. Hintayin ko ng mga maraming minutes. Kanina pa yan actually. And alam nyo ba, hindi ako naka-gloves kanina. And naghugas na ako. And medyo mahapdi yung aking kamay. So, now, ngayon pa lang ako mag-gloves. Kailangan ko siyang i-wipe. Kanina pa to eh. Kanina pa to nakasoak sa degreaser. So, kailangan ko siyang i-wipe. I-wipe ko lang siya with ito. Ang problema, isa lang yung gloves ko. Meron ba akong ibang gloves? Meron naman siguro. Perfect. Meron pala akong gloves. Ito ano to eh. Surgical gloves. Sa hospital to galing. Alright. Perfect. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Maganda yung range hood namin kasi hindi siya screen. Kasi yung screen, once madumi na siya, ang dumi-dumi niya talaga tingnan. So, i-wipe mo lang daw siya after mong isuot sa degreaser. Sabi nga dun, a couple minutes lang eh, but siguro mga ano na to, 15 minutes. Ayan, oh. Yun lang, mahirap lang i-reach yung sa ilalim na to. I think I need to run hot water sa ilalim. Kasi hindi ko siya masyadong abot.
Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
Sine-check ko lang kung matatanggal ko siya. Like, madidismantle ko siya ba? Kasi ang perfect niyan kung madidismantle ko to. I think i-dismantle ko siya, guys. Kasi I can see a screw here. Try ko yung screw yan. And then, i-dismantle ko to. Okay? Try ko lang. Hindi kasi ito nililinis ni Kuya eh. And pag pinalinis ko to sa kanya, mag-additional bayad ako. Tapos hindi kasi ako satisfied sa paglinis niya sa oven. So, sabi ko, ako na lang maglilinis ng mga ganyan. Tapos, natatakot din kasi ako kasi baka hindi niya alam paano ito linisin ba. So, sabi ko, ako na lang maglilinis ng mga ganito. Yung oven, yan. Pero, yeah, try ko nga i-dismantle muna to. Pero, picturean ko muna nun kasi baka. Yeah, wait sa guys. Guys, ako na talaga! Ang linis! Sobrang linis. Hindi pa ako tapos. Pero tapos ko na tong dito. Kailangan ko na lang linisin yung attachment niya. Medyo, ano yun, matrabaho. Tapos nasugatan pa ako dun. Kasi marami siyang mga medyo sharp na mga edges. Tinry ko siyang tanggalin, i-unscrew. Kahit na na-unscrew ko yung part na yun, hindi talaga siya nahihiwalay. So, kailangan ganyan siyang buo na linisin. Kaya ako nasugatan kasi kinutkot ko yung loob-loob eh. Okay na sana eh. Ang linis na niya tingnan sa labas. Like ganyan, malinis na siya tingnan sa labas. But yung mga ilalim-ilalim kasi, madudumi pa yan. So, kinukutkot ko siya gamit itong Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser is really effective. Sobrang effective niya. So, nag-spray ako ng degreaser, tapos winipe ko siya. Hindi pa din siya natanggal. Yung ginawa ko, binasa ko ng konti yung Magic Eraser. Tapos, kinuskus ko gamit yung Magic Eraser. Natanggal siya, guys. And now, sobrang linis na nito. Spraynehan ko din siya ng Steel Clean. Ito. Tapos, ano na siya, makintab na siya. Did you finish it? Oh, you have to finish it later. Yeah, finish it. So, yan ang linis na. Ayan. Tapos makintab na din siya kasi nilagyan ko nga nung steel clean. Yung dito hindi pa masyadong makintab kasi iba naman yung kailangan ilagay dito. Dapat yung glass cleaner kasi glass to eh. Break muna tayo kasi it's actually, I can keep going hanggang mag alas 12. 11:32 na. Patulog ko lang kay Indy. So while I was doing all this, pinapatulog ko din yung anak ko. Akyat baba ako eh. So malapit na ako matapos sa isa. Ito yung nagpasugat sa akin. So ganyan kasi siya. Yung dito sa gilid, nasugatan ako dito. Sharp siya sa ilalim na. Yeah, so ang linis na niya tingnan. Kaya lang yung mga gilid-gilid, yung ilalim-ilalim, kailangan linisin. Kasi niisip ko kasi, I will do this once a year. So, tinuin mo na yung paglilinis nito. Ito na yung ginagamit ko guys. Mas effective siya kaysa sa regular na papel lang. Basain mo lang to and yeah, grabe na siya makalinis.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say,
Alright, we are done. I'm happy. It's very clean. Let's eat lunch. Anong oras na? Hindi ko na alam anong oras na. But kakain na ako ng munggo. Yung munggo natin from yesterday. I feel really dry. My hands feel really dry. Perfect. 12:01. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Subuan lang kita, Arlo. I'll just feed you magic beans, okay, mate? Guys, steak. I was aiming for medium. I think I did medium well. I did medium well. Ay! I forgot! So, ito yung mga napapanood ko sa TikTok, yung mga ganito. Dapat mas flaky pa dito yung asin. But that's okay. Let's eat. Yeah. Yung dito sa part, yung sa dulo-dulo, well done na. Natagalan ko masyado. Ano pala to? Scotch fillet.
How's it steak?
Sir, I was aiming for medium, but I got medium well.
Medium rare?
Medium well. Sarap ng garlic.
I can't wait until this one's out of the baby stage.
Meron pala tayong wine dito, guys. Dala to ni Dan nung nag-dinner kasama yung kliyente niya. Pag uwi niya, may dalang wine. Diba? Push mo yung red wine, sis. Wala yung nakakaubos nito. Siguro nung inuwi niya to mga half ng bote. Tapos yan na lang natira. Malahubog na tong simple race nyo, guys. No? Kapoy na kayo, guys. Sakit na kayo ang likod, guys. See? Can you imagine? Naiinom ka na itong mga to. Iba na talaga. Iba ang nagagawa ng 3 anak. Hindi. Yung hindi, ayaw magpalapag. Karga-karga lang ng daddy. Ang dapat kapag karga, nakatayo. Kapag umupo ka, iiyak siya. So, sila nakatayo, karga siya. Para makakain ako. No. Kaya naging medium well yung steak ko dahil sa'yo eh. Sinisi pa yung bata. Ikaw kasi, iyak ka ng iyak eh. Yung mga bata na sa kabilang lounge kumakain ng pasta nila. Hindi nga ba? Come here! Come here! I'm done. Smell. Smell lang. Smell, sabi ko. See? Not good. Not good for you. Not good for me. Yun na guys. Good night. Cheers.
You're the